Alright, so first clip is of a guy on a highway who decided to try to cut me off all because I smiled at him. Yep, all because I smiled at him. He decides to try to cut me off, and yep. Don't you just hate when this happens when people don't even stop for the stop signs? It happens all the time out here in Surrey. It's getting worse. Every night I'm driving, I see somebody without their lights on. Don't you see that all the time? People with no lights on? Yeah.
And at the red light, all I had to do is tell Buddy your lights aren't on, and looked, and now they're on.
Now this is just a scene of a car accident that happened, and what's frustrating about this is the cops are blocking off the intersections and making a big deal about it, but it's literally just a tiny little fender bender, and couldn't they have moved these cars out of the way? I don't know. This was another police incident down in Surrey. I believe it was a shooting of some sort. But yeah, it was all blocked off and stuff, so I had to drive around. Just thought I'd show it. And then this cop was just parked on the side, blocking traffic because he was just doing work on his laptop. Figured he would have pulled into the parking lot. Oh, here's somebody else with no lights on. Every night, there's always somebody. Oh, speak of the devil, somebody else with no lights. Every night there's somebody with no lights. Some cop pulling over some guy. And this was funny, this was at McDonald's. Guess they couldn't really figure out how to turn, so they drove over the curb. You gotta love it. He actually tried backing up, and I was like, oh, smokes, better not hit me. You pop your tire doing that.